Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, the frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go
Hi,
blub,
what is your name?
and the seal goes out.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Bell.
Okay, Bill, what grade are you in?
I am in grade 1.
Okay, very good. Circle C K K. Circle J J J. Circle U R R. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Sukipasan Rajan.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Kaptan.
Kaptan, what grade are you in?
I am in grade 1.
Okay, let's go. Circle B B B. Circle I E E. Circle O O O. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Silapa Raksan.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Gao.
Gao, what grade are you in?
I am in grade 2.
Okay, let's go.
The B. The dog. The cat. The log. The egg. The pen. The pig. The egg. The can. The egg. The pen. The egg. The pan. The egg. The hen.
Okay, very good. Hi, what is your name?
My name is Shashanuk Sapjanan.
What is your nickname?
My nickname is Mai.
Okay, Mai, what grade are you in?
I am in grade 3.
Okay, very good. Let's go.
Phở ẹt nở phe. Khở ẹt nở khen. Khở ẹt nở khen. Khở ẹt nở khen. Bờ ịt cỡ bích. Khở ịt cỡ hít. Lơ ọ cỡ lọc. Lơ ọ cỡ lọc. Khở ạ cỡ hạc. Chở ạ cỡ rạc.
Good job. Give me high five.